Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Boothville, Louisiana sits near the very end of the Mississippi River, where land thins out and water begins to take over. This small community lies in Plaquemines Parish, surrounded by marsh, canals, and open Gulf air. Few places in the United States are closer to the river's final meeting with the sea. Boothville was settled in the early 19th century and named after the Booth family, who were among the area's early landowners. Like much of Lower Plaquemines Parish, the town developed along the river, not around roads. The Mississippi was everything here: transportation route, food source, and economic engine. Homes, churches, and businesses once lined the riverbanks, connected by boats more often than by land. During the 19th century, Boothville grew into a functioning river community with schools, stores, and government offices. Fishing, oystering, and river commerce supported local families, while ships from around the world passed just offshore. Boothville's location also gave it strategic importance. During the Civil War, nearby Fort Jackson played a key role in defending the Mississippi River from Union naval forces. When the fort fell in 1862, it opened the river to Union control and marked a turning point in the conflict. Though Boothville itself was small, it sat in the shadow of events that shaped the nation. Life here has always been fragile. Hurricanes, storm surge, and land loss have repeatedly reshaped the community. Hurricane Betsy in 1965 caused severe damage throughout Lower Plaquemines Parish, accelerating population decline. Decades later, Hurricane Katrina in 2005 delivered the final blow. Massive flooding destroyed most remaining structures, leaving Boothville largely abandoned. Today, Boothville is quiet. Few buildings remain, and nature has reclaimed much of the land. Marsh grasses grow where homes once stood, and the sound of the wind often replaces the noise of daily life. Nearby Venice now serves as the southernmost hub for fishing and offshore industry, while Boothville exists mostly in memory and maps. As you watch this place, you're seeing more than a ghost town. Boothville tells the story of Louisiana's constant struggle with water, of communities built by the river, sustained by it, and ultimately challenged by its power. It is a reminder of how quickly the landscape can change at the edge of the Mississippi's long journey south. Thanks for watching!